For daily hacks on the human body, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then tap the bell icon to be notified on our newest videos.
Here's exactly why you should be eating avocado every day. What's all the buzz about superfoods? Well, today it's no secret that we have quite a number of nutrient-dense foods that are thought to be great for our health. Of course, at this point we're talking about everything, from fish to nuts to cruciferous veggies to berries and more. In fact, it's widely believed that an apple a day can keep the doctor away. But hey, have you ever considered avocados? More like, did you know that this creamy green fruit is yet another superfood that's loaded with health-boosting nutrients? Well, if you didn't, now you do. Yes, avocados aren't just great for guacamole or spreading on sourdough. They also have mind-blowing nutritional benefits that can take your health to the next level. Of course, this is precisely why you won't be wrong to eat at least one of these bulbous butterfruits daily. Still, need a few more reasons to make avocados a big part of your healthy diet? Well, just listen on. Number 1. Chock full of nutrients. Yes, this perhaps is one of the biggest reasons why you'll want to start avocados daily. These fruits are incredibly rich in vitamins and minerals, including B vitamins, vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin E, folate, potassium, magnesium, and niacin. And avocados are also rich in healthy or monounsaturated fats. With all these in mind, you can easily tell that avocados are super. They're clearly one of the most amazing superfoods that can transform your health, even in ways you never thought possible. Number 2. Great for weight management. Sounds weird, right? Well, it shouldn't. Avocados can actually help you maintain a healthy weight. So yes, if you're on a diet or just looking for how to drop a few pounds, avocados are sure to be a perfect addition to your healthy diet. Why? Well, it's only because they're high in fiber, a type of slow-digesting carbohydrate that keeps you fuller for longer. Number 3. Protect the eyes. Avocados for eye health? Yes, these buttery fruits are packed with nutrients that can work wonders for your eyes. Speaking of nutrients, avocados contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two incredible compounds that work to prevent macular degeneration. All in all, do take your time to gorge on these fruits when you can. Your eyes will thank you. Number 4. Better skin and hair health. Want to have great-looking skin and hair? Well, of course you want to. The main question is, can avocados make you look fabulous? Yes, they can. Avocados are rich in vitamin E and chock full of healthy fats, the perfect combination for gorgeous-looking skin and hair. Number 5. Stronger bones. Finally, avocados are great for your bones. And yes, it's all thanks to its high vitamin K, copper, and folate content. Be sure to eat more to keep your bones in tip-top shape. Any other reasons to eat avocados? Well, just have it in mind that they can also fight inflammation, lower bad cholesterol, boost the immune system, and even slow the onset of cancer. Don't hesitate to eat more avocados today.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.